Today we are making classic Scottish morning roast. Soft, fluffy and perfect for any breakfast. Easy to pick, even easier to love. Let's get started. Start with 500 grams of flour in a large bowl. Next, add in 22 grams of yeast, 9 grams of salt, pour in 166 milliliters of milk. Mix a little first before adding water. Now add 166 milliliters of water. Mix everything together until it forms a rough dough. Lightly flour your workspace and transfer the dough onto it. Begin kneading for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Once done, place the dough back in the well-oiled bowl, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. After an hour, punch down the dough gently to release the air. This helps redistribute the yeast and ensures an even texture in the rolls. Lightly flour your workspace again. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. Using a rolling pin, flatten each piece into a round shape about 9 cm in diameter. Arrange the rounds on a baking tray, leaving some space between each one. Cover the tray and let the dough proof for 30 minutes. To check if it's ready, gently press your finger into a roll. If the indentation springs back slowly, you are good to go. Once proof, brush the tops with milk to give them a golden finish. Then lightly sprinkle some flour over each one for that classic rustic look. Place the tray in the preheated oven at 200 Celsius and bake for 20 minutes or until beautifully golden. Enjoy!